Before we start, be sure to check out the description to find out how you can win a NanoLedger S. According to history, whenever we are in a bear market, it has been the perfect buying opportunity, and in the last 5 years, Cardano token prices have grown by more than 6,000%. It also grew from a rather unknown altcoin, dubbed Ethereum killer, to the top 10 largest cryptocurrencies by market cap. Cardano has helped countless individuals climb the social ladder by building their wealth. Today, let's find out how you can 10x your money with Cardano. And as always, be sure to watch to the end to not miss out on any of this amazing information. So far, cryptocurrencies have been the most profitable investment class of the last decade. Today, the internet is rife with testimonies of individuals and companies on how it has paved their path to success. However, the crypto market is still rebounding from a recent market decline. Only a few presently available seem to be operating well under these challenging circumstances. A prudent crypto investment could, therefore, generate a passive income that contributes to these currencies' financial security during the current period. It is worth believing that one of the cryptocurrencies has a tenfold upside potential, which turns out to be Cardano ADA. Consider Bitcoin to be Crypto 1.0. It is effectively digital gold, but scaling concerns plague the system. Ethereum is often regarded as Crypto 2.0. Cardano, which was introduced in 2017, is Crypto 3.0, adding capabilities that Ethereum originally lacked. Being a co-founder of Ethereum, Charles Hoskinson launched Cardano as a more scalable, interoperable, and sustainable blockchain, intending to improve upon Bitcoin and Ethereum. One of the most prominent complaints of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies is that their blockchain networks, which are built on proof-of-work consensus process, waste a great deal of energy. Cardano has a proof-of-stake consensus, therefore making it more durable and scalable as a blockchain. Cardano has not failed to be one of the eco-friendly blockchain technologies. In an interview, Hoskinson said that Cardano is 1.6 million times more energy efficient than Bitcoin. In addition to that, Cardano can perform more than 250 transactions per second, compared to Bitcoin and Ethereum. Consequently, this crypto decline might be a good opportunity to lock in your Cardano ADA investments. It is also safe to conclude that the tenfold upside potential of Cardano is not a mere bluff. Cryptocurrency prices can fluctuate very often, therefore they may not be appropriate for all investors. However, people can dare plunge into the world of digital assets, in which Cardano and its ADA cryptocurrency are gaining prominence. Crypto assets have become one of the most attractive options for investors, specifically due to the presence of Cardano, which has managed to attract much interest. It is just quite sad that most investors do not understand how it works, thus making rash decisions in this crash. Cardano has spent years in development while it looked to solve latency, throughput, security, and decentralization issues. Similar to Ethereum, the primary use cases of Cardano ADA are staking on the network, delegating, and transferring ADA for different use cases within the Cardano ecosystem. However, in a way, Cardano's lengthy research phase is as much as a weakness as it is a strength. It remains a nascent network with more of a research project in the works than offering a real-world utility that can be compared to Ethereum. Cardano's multi-year development phase allowed first-to-market Ethereum to grow its lead in the sector, as well as at least half a dozen other projects to launch and gain adoption. Academic papers and superior throughput are meaningless without users. Cardano's slow progress in this area places it at risk of being too late to the market to penetrate Ethereum's lead. But the project's timing could prove just right as the general crypto market has started to rely on its rollout of interesting upgrades. Like most cryptocurrencies, Cardano is another extremely volatile asset, whose value is widely speculated. Most of the real value behind Cardano is within the Alonzo hard fork and the rollout of smart contracts. The risk of the project being overvalued implies a correction to the current market price because Cardano has a market cap in the tens of millions. Since volatility provides crypto investors with entry points to take advantage of coin prices, projects such as Cardano can benefit from it. Downward market volatility can be a perfect environment for traders who play the long game. Here, they must decide to buy additional shares of Cardano at a lower price. For example, an investor can purchase the ADA coin that is half the price over a short period, thereby lowering one's average cost per share, which would also improve the crypto's portfolio performance when the markets normalize. Investing when the market is volatile with a better valuation will offer both investors and DeFi or crypto projects the opportunity to generate impressive long-term returns. It is a more profound opportunity with Cardano, which has 10x potential. Input Output Hong Kong, or IOHK for short, the research and development firm behind Cardano project, announced an incredible network growth in April. It tweeted, "Stablecoins, sidechains, NFT and partnerships, launch pads and project launches, converter bridges, getting overwhelmed with all the news from the Cardano universe, we have gathered a structured recap of the key updates over the last 10 days. Moreover, Hoskinson has stressed the word major 5 times when describing the Vassal hard fork's importance to the overall network growth in a video released on April 12th, a day after ADA crashed by more than 10%. Of course, ADA's price recovered after Hoskinson's address and IOHK tweets, but it was short-lived. The rebound lost its momentum. Cardano is close to attaining the title of a fully fledged smart contracts platform following a major upgrade, which is set to happen soon. Hoskinson had confirmed that they had processed the sales of more than $10 million worth in non-fungible tokens. SundaySwap, the first DeFi DEX to utilize Cardano smart contracts, is expected to launch soon, and many ADA investors interpret this move as a potential bullish catalyst for the altcoin. In his journey to this point, Cardano has assisted several people to build wealth and move up social classes, but others weren't so lucky and ended up losing money by making poor decisions with Cardano investments. A prepared investor can learn how past ADA investors lost money with the cryptocurrency and how to avoid such mistakes. You can 10x your money with Cardano by staking or lending, trading the altcoin, and above all, investing. Cardano trading involves buying the altcoin at a relatively low price, holding onto it for a short while, then selling it when the price rises. Traders often open and close multiple trades throughout the day, scooping a little profit with every trade, which can pose as a great way of making money with Cardano. Unlike trading though, investing involves buying ADA tokens and depositing them in a secure wallet, preferably a hardware wallet. And unlike active traders who seek to make money off of marginal fluctuations of the Cardano tokens, investors hope to grow their wealth gradually as the token price increases over time. To become a Cardano investor, however, you need to believe in the network's future and that the prices will rise. Charles Hoskinson has not failed to emphasize this fact. Generally speaking, Cardano is a fundamentally safe investment. It is also considered high risk by traditional standards. Cardano utilizes the proof-of-stake Ouroboros Preyos protocol to facilitate consensus on the blockchain. This protocol is known to be much more sustainable than traditional protocols. With the POS protocol, participants in the network are rewarded for their involvement with a small amount of ADA. Furthermore, Cardano will improve on its use and adoption, but its other favorable factors will sponsor its success. Quite a few people have started to consider Cardano ADA as a suitable investment option. A notable person is Prakash Chan, a founding member of both Ask the Doctor and the global cryptocurrency investment fund FD7 Ventures. Prakash's fund, FD7 Ventures, purchased a large holding in Cardano as a result of his belief in Charles Hoskinson and the mission of the IOHK team. I love the business philosophy that Charles had. He is passionate about using Cardano to make the world a better place. It is a refreshing change from hearing Bitcoin investors just talk about price and profits all day long, Chan said. Cardano has proven to be a solid project with real utility. This is a factor that makes it super resilient, despite the market downturn. The ADA coin growth is created by the demand for the Cardano ecosystem. Several people are also tweeting about Cardano's efficiency, slow but steady growth, and impressive long-term prospects. ADA is surely a test of one's convictions while waiting for the glacier to overtake the competition. Slow, but inevitable, a Twitter user posted. Absolutely it will. The problem people had with Cardano was that it was a long-term prospect. This bear market has made people realize that crypto has a long way to go, but totally worth the wait. Another posted. But what are your thoughts about this? Let us have them in the comments section below. And as always, make sure you click on the subscribe and bell buttons.